across the globe. A premium serum crafted with...
From AURELIA Skin Labs to the world, luxury delivered everywhere.
As the sun rises, AURELIA Skin...
Just a few drops of AURELIA.
The botanical formula absorbs deeply into the skin.
A clear difference you can see and feel.
Glow.
Everything here is carefully handled under strict sterile conditions to protect purity and luxury quality. Here, premium botanical extracts and vitamin oils are preserved under perfect conditions before entering the production process.
Each ingredient is measured with extreme accuracy to maintain the serum's perfect.
Once measured, ingredients travel through sealed pipelines to ensure zero contamination.
Advanced filtration guarantees only the purest ingredients continue into blending.
Every component is sterilized to meet luxury cosmetic safety standards.
The purified ingredients rest in holding tanks before blending begins.
Experts verify each formula step to maintain consistency and glow performance.
With preparation complete, the ingredients are now ready to transform into premium glow serum.
Inside these massive blending vats, carefully selected botanical extracts and vitamins.
Advanced automation controls every drop, ensuring perfect balance in every batch. Powerful industrial mixers blend every ingredient into a flawless, glowing serum with a smooth, luxurious finish.
Precise thermal control protects the serum's nutrients while achieving the perfect silky consistency.
After sterilization, the glowing serum flows through sealed channels, protected from contamination at every step.
These massive reservoirs hold the finished serum while maintaining perfect purity and temperature balance. Smart systems regulate every drop, keeping production steady and flawless around the clock.
Luxury glass bottles are carefully prepared, inspected, and aligned for flawless filling.
Luxury glass bottles prepare to receive the glowing serum.
The journey now reaches its most satisfying stage. Precision filling begins.
This is the heart of production, where every bottle receives its perfect dose of glowing serum.
Robotic systems carefully install each dropper, ensuring perfect alignment and hygiene.
Each bottle is securely sealed to protect freshness and purity.
Every bottle undergoes advanced testing to guarantee zero leaks and perfect quality.
Luxury labels are printed with precision to reflect AURELIA's premium identity. Automated labeling ensures every bottle looks flawless and luxurious. Premium packaging boxes are crafted to protect and elevate the product's luxury appeal.
Each serum bottle is carefully housed in luxury packaging, ready for customers.
Protective sealing ensures every box reaches customers in perfect condition.
Each package receives tracking information for quality and authenticity.
From raw ingredients to luxury packaging, every step creates the perfect premium glow serum. Advanced inspection systems verify every detail to maintain AURELIA's luxury quality promise.
Each package is weighed with precision to ensure perfect filling in every box.
Robotic systems organize thousands of products efficiently for global distribution.
Ready to ship worldwide. Thousands of luxury serums begin their journey to customers around the world. From factory to customers, AURELIA's luxury reaches across the globe. The result, Brolland, a premium serum crafted with science, care, and luxury. Every bottle reflects AURELIA's commitment to quality and beauty. AURELIA Skin Labs, where luxury beauty is crafted to perfection.
Scientists carefully analyze the serum's silky texture to ensure a flawless, luxurious feel.
Every batch undergoes microscopic testing to guarantee absolute purity. Automated scanners verify that every bottle holds the perfect glowing shade.
Each seal is tested for durability to protect the serum's freshness.
Stability testing ensures the serum performs perfectly over time. Only perfectly crafted bottles receive final approval. Approved products flow seamlessly toward final distribution. Bulk cartons are prepared to safely transport luxury products worldwide. Finished products are packed efficiently for large-scale shipping. Every shipment is sealed and prepared for safe delivery across the globe.
Every shipment is perfectly balanced to ensure safe transportation.
Robotic wrapping protects every pallet for long-distance travel. Each pallet receives tracking information for global logistics control.
Live monitoring keeps production and shipping perfectly synchronized.
Shipments are organized efficiently for fast global distribution. Day and night, AURELIA Skin Labs delivers luxury skincare to the world.
Production never stops. AURELIA Skin Labs operates around the clock to meet global demand. Multiple filling lines work together to produce thousands of luxury serums every hour.
Caps and droppers are automatically oriented and delivered for seamless assembly.
Precision robotics secure every dropper for leak-free perfection. Soft illumination reveals perfect clarity in every bottle. Each drop flows smoothly, creating the serum's signature glow.
Every system works in harmony to deliver.
This is large-scale luxury manufacturing at its finest.
Behind every glowing bottle lies precision, care, and innovation. Flawless luxury finish.
Gold foil branding adds a signature luxury touch to every bottle. Caps receive a final shine for a flawless premium appearance.
Final beauty inspections ensure every product looks perfect.
Finished bottles are carefully housed in elegant packaging.
Protective wrapping preserves luxury presentation. Every package a full collection of luxury, crafted with precision. AURELIA Skin Labs, or Serum, where science meets luxury beauty. Thousands of luxury serums flow smoothly through the final production stages every hour. Finished products are assembled in massive shipments ready for global delivery.
Automated conveyor systems transport heavy shipments effortlessly.
Smart storage systems organize inventory with perfect efficiency.
Shipments are carefully staged for fast loading and delivery.
Automated docks prepare instantly for loading.
Mass shipments are loaded swiftly for worldwide delivery. Every shipment is verified for accuracy and safety.
From AURELIA Skin Labs to the world. Luxury delivered everywhere.
As the sun rises, AURELIA Skin Labs continues crafting luxury without pause.
Thousands of luxury products are completed every hour with flawless precision. Precision alignment reflects AURELIA's commitment to perfection.
Every bottle glows with AURELIA's signature luxurious formula.
Luxury craftsmanship meets beauty perfection.
Behind every beautiful bottle lies precision manufacturing.
AURELIA Skin Labs creates beauty that shines from within.
Millions of luxury serums are crafted with care.
Where innovation, beauty, and luxury come together. AURELIA Skin Labs, crafting luxury beauty for the world.
Every bottle reflects the luxury craftsmanship behind AURELIA's beauty.
The heart of AURELIA's beauty lies in every glowing drop. Thousands of bottles, each crafted to perfection. Science and luxury unite to create beauty perfection. Science and luxury unite to create beauty perfection.
AURELIA Skin Labs brings luxury beauty to life.
AURELIA's luxury reaches every corner of the world. Luxury perfected in every detail. A legacy of innovation and luxury beauty.
Just a few drops of AURELIA's luxury serum begin the transformation.
The botanical formula absorbs deeply into the skin.
After using AURELIA Premium Glow Serum, her skin looks refreshed and luminous.
A clear difference you can see and feel.
AURELIA Skin Labs. Reveal your natural glow.